Good morning, everyone. Today I have a quick cinnamon roll hack. So I take 2 cans of Pillsbury cinnamon rolls or store brand. It doesn't really matter. Whatever cinnamon roll brand you have or it's on sale, that would be fine. I also take a small 13x9 disposable metal pan or a size around there with a can of pan baking spray, and I'm going to spray the pan. We're going to heat the oven to 375 degrees. You're going to pop the can open and then dump all the cinnamon rolls out on a clean surface. I lined my countertop with some parchment paper for this. Once all of the dough is on the parchment paper or a clean surface, set aside the icing. Now you're going to take 2 pieces of the cinnamon buns. Now that you have your 2 pieces, you're going to roll one out. It's not going to be perfect, but that's okay. You can see how I unrolled it. And then you're just going to roll it around the second one. That doubles the size of the cinnamon roll. Then you're going to put it in your sprayed down pan. And you're going to go ahead and do this for all of the cinnamon rolls, 2 at a time. 2 cans of the cinnamon rolls made 8 large cinnamon rolls. As you can see here, they're all rolled out together and they're in my pan. And I'm going to bake for about 15 minutes. The can says 13 to 18, so I'm going to start with 15. The timer just went off, but they do not look done, so I'm going to put them back in for another 3 minutes. So these were in for a total of 20 minutes, probably because they were bigger than normal. Sometimes when you bake more of what the recipe calls, or you bake a double batch, or you make something bigger than expected, it does take a little bit more cooking time. So even though the can said 13 to 18 minutes, it took 20. And the reason I know they're done is, first of all, they're no longer doughy. Second of all, they're browning a little, and that's what you want to look for, to make sure that they're nice and cooked and not doughy anymore. Now I'm going to go ahead and ice them. They only give you 2 little cans of icing, 1 per tube of cinnamon rolls. So I go ahead and divide each little container into 4 sections. That way I don't overuse the icing and I have just enough for each. So you can see here they're all iced and ready to eat. I hope you learned a tip or 2 from this video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.